If you're a singular agent, you have got to be using KWCommand. It is such an amazing tool. You can be creating your own advertising right there. They have amazing template tools, and it's all really click and play. They made it insanely easy. It's branded immediately, and you just drag and drop, and you can pull up any information about the listings right from your desktop there. I just think it's really easy. What I really appreciate about KWCommand is their special deals with Facebook Market advertising. That has been huge for us because normally if you go through something like Zillow or Realtor, you're paying hundreds of dollars per lead. But if we go through KWCommand, creating our own ads or even just using their templated ads as is, we're getting 41 leads for maybe 70 cents a lead, and that's incredible. Like, you just cannot beat that when it comes to lead production. I recently just started using their scheduling posts for both Facebook and Instagram, and I think that's so helpful. And it's kind of better than some of the other like Social Pilot or Hootsuite because it's still that KW specific, and you're creating all of those posts or visuals right there in the same platform. So it's just a couple less steps than creating it over here, uploading it over here, scheduling it over here. It's just easier.